Hello, everyone, welcome back to ITI Nini channel.
Problem 12. An induction motor having 6 poles operates on a 50 Hz supply. If it works on full load at 960 rpm, find the percentage slip. Alright, to find the percentage slip of our induction motor, we first need to determine its synchronous speed. The formula for synchronous speed is 120 times the frequency divided by the number of poles. Once we have the synchronous speed, we can then use it to calculate the slip using the formula, synchronous speed minus rotor speed, divided by synchronous speed. First, let's find the synchronous speed. Using the formula, we multiply 120 by 50 and then divide by 6, giving us a synchronous speed of 1000 rpm. Now, to find the slip, we subtract the rotor speed of 960 rpm from this, and then divide by 1000. This gives us a slip of 0.04, or 4% when expressed as a percentage.